Hi, this is Densyo Dsenyo. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how I install a doorknob. Please watch this. Before installing a doorknob, you should know all the components of it. So this is the latch assembly with a bevel hinge. And this is the interior knob. The exterior knob with a keyway. And then the strike plate. First, insert the latch assembly. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. God bless.